Home run.
Taking a look at this blank page, I've got it all in my mind. But in this industry I feel like I'm revolving in time. Pushed back while I'm trying to make a living of this shit. Cutting up some records you can check off your wish list. The feeling is colorful like your favorite playlist, and the beat's right under you, plus the flow to make this comfortable. Time enough to run this through, take some needing one or two. Ready to drop this and all of a sudden they're all like, what to do? Cause if you knew my whole story you'd see that it's a long way. Especially doing this all on your own, the beats, the raps, the whole cake. Never regretting the time I spent on so many details. I'm much more smarter now, but they want me to go into retail. I ain't no businessman, still I gotta make my own decisions. Gonna flip this rap shit upside down, I'm walking on the ceiling. You just heard the start signal, but I've long since departed. To show you how I do, homie, I'm just getting started. The people wanna know how I can't explain, I'm just up in the zone. How I do, how I do. Higher than let myself fall. The people wanna know how I can't explain, I'm just up in the zone. How I do, how I do. I'm still hanging with the same folks, chilling at the finish line. People shouting out my name, but nah, this ain't dinner time. Celebrating every occasion just for the fuck of it. Drinking till the bottle is empty, but this ain't punishment. Running this government, got my own mothership. What you dig is what you are, every day I'm shuffling. Better move when I start to run this. All I do is talk the numbers, walk into the building and start chasing fools like bounty hunters. A picture all in my mind, all on my grind. Always searching for the hardest to find. And I know you want a piece of them. The beats, I know you're feeling them. Dealing with my business as usual in my dealership. Turning the page, not the type that's running the race. Filling in the blank, let it shine like the sun in your face. And this some shit you don't wanna debate. I create what I wanna create, cause this is how I do it. The people wanna know how I can't explain, I'm just up in the zone.